If you're coming to Universal Volcano Bay, watch this video. We will give you the 5 best tips to come here and enjoy your day.
Nothing to do.
That way or that way? Oh my God, so good. Hey guys, welcome back to today's adventure. We're here at Universal's epic water park, Volcano Bay. There's so much to do here. There's water slides, rides, slides, a lazy river, a fast river, and everything you can imagine to do here at a water park. So make sure you follow along and join us on today's adventure.
Oh, I love it. So reminiscent of like Moana and Hawaii.
Yes.
Very Tahitian, Hawaiian, with all the bamboo at the top with the lights that are made out of shells, conch shells yet. Very cute. And then what's this? Ah, porthole with the tapu-tapu guy. All right, we're gonna go. So we're jumping out of the tunnel, and then if you have a stroller or handicap, you make a right, and it's a ramp. If you have
This is the precursor to Mario World.
this is where they got the portal idea, right here. And we go up an escalator, and then we enter into Volcano Bay. Waiting for the theme music to start.
This is the theme. The theme of Volcano Bay is a Hawaiian island, and it's a volcano that's about to erupt.
There he is! Remember the night at the museum? On the night of the museum, they have the big statues that are from Easter Islands, and here's one of them. And he goes, "Dum dum got gum gum." Hey, how are ya? Very cool. Mahalo. Take care. Hey, talk to me. Hey guys, welcome to this epic adventure. We're here today at Universal Epic Theme Park, Volcano Bay. This is Universal's 4th Orlando theme park, and we have thrill rides, lazy rivers, rapid rivers, and we're here today to do all of them together. So let's go. Number 1 tip, get a good seat in front of the volcano. Plenty chairs to go around. Wonderful place, centrally located. Hey, what time is it?
Time to drink.
Is it 12 o'clock?
It's 12 o'clock somewhere.
We are here at Dancing Dragons. It is kind of like a dual dragon outrigger, and it's the bar. We always put our chairs right in front of it because then we get the pool and we get the volcano and the beach. Perfect spot. So, cheers.
This is the Ko-Okani Body Plunge. It's 150 feet drop from all the way at the top of all.
We just came through the parking lot, and after you come to the parking lot, you go through security right here in the forward, and then you have to get on a bus to get to the park. That's the only downside to coming to this park, because you must do 2 types of transportation.
So we're going into the Oaxaca Tawahawa Eats. So you basically order at the counter here. You can get water. And this is what all of their food services become, self-service. So let's go see if we can stay true to the theme and get some Hawaiian pizza. So they do have grab and go here, which is so sandwiches, baby greens, Caesar salads, and then Hawaiian pizza, island barbecue, pretzel dog.
It was $14.99, but with our annual pass, we got $3.75 off of it. So it's $11 for a Hawaiian pizza. I'm excited. I'm one for the crust. They got a great crust, pineapple, ham, jalapeno peppers. I'm gonna check it out right now. Hot. Oh, for being fast food, very good. Super Hawaiian. Taste the pineapple. Hot.
Wow.
What do you think, though?
Good. Pineapple, jalapeno, tomatoes. Like you say, for theme park pizza, Hawaiian, staying with the theme, not bad.
You can use your tapu tapu right here if it's working, and then it will spray over the people that are in the
It's
busy
over there.
river. Might not be working right
No,
now.
I don't think so. It squirts out of these two guys.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, guys, here we go. We are headed into the rapid river here. You have to get a life vest, and it keeps you afloat up on top. It's not a lazy river, it's a rapid river. You'll see the difference. So they make you wear a life vest because it goes pretty quick. And any water ride, you're either in the life vest or the tube.
On this benefit, don't forget, like, subscribe and hit that bell. Yeah, on that next one.
These are all the water slides that are inside the volcano. There's about 4, 5 of them. We're moving pretty quick. You got lost in a pool.
I know. I can't help. They have two rivers. One is a rapid river, and then they have the lazy river. Which one would you like best? Here's a bonus tip. Bring your refillable Universal cup. It's free water all day and one price for drinks all day. Don't forget to bring it. Great tip.
So remember, guys, if you like Epic and you like our epic adventures, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. And we're gonna see you on the next epic adventure.
Thanks for joining us here today at Volcano Bay. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And see you on our next adventure. Right over there. They have a hard pear cider. We're gonna get it. You hear me?